Are you ready to streamline your podcast workflow and publish your episodes faster than ever? First things first, you need to have your podcast episode completely edited and finalized in Descript. Make sure you've added your intro, outro, and any other edits you need. Everything should sound perfect. Once your audio or video is ready, click the Export button in the top right corner of Descript. You'll be presented with export options. Here's where the magic begins to happen. Select your preferred file format, usually MP3 or MP4. Depending on if you are doing audio or video, make sure you choose a bit rate that offers great quality without making the file size too big. Make sure also to explore options for your podcast settings to include important podcast data, such as the title, description, and author information. This data will go inside your podcast media file and get picked up by the podcast hosting platform. Now head over to Buzzsprout, log into your account and find the upload button, usually prominently displayed. Click the upload button and select your exported file from Descript, and your podcast episode will start uploading right away. Once the upload is complete, Buzzsprout will let you customize your episode. Fill in all the necessary details: the episode title, description, artwork, and release date. Finally, hit schedule or publish, and Buzzsprout will take care of the rest by distributing the finished episode to all of the major podcast platforms. You have successfully integrated Descript and Buzzsprout. You now can confidently create, edit, publish, and distribute your podcast.